I just received this new incubator in the mail. It is a Bob Mail incubator, and we're gonna be doing an unboxing and first thoughts on this incubator, whether I would suggest you purchase it or not for incubating your eggs. So this is a 21 egg incubator, and it was rated as an Amazon top choice, which basically means that there are a lot of people purchasing and not returning this. So that's something that you definitely want to look for on Amazon, and the reviews were really great. So I'm really excited to unbox this. Let's go ahead. Okay, so here is the package. I already just opened it, so it's easier here. It comes with a manual, everything that you need to get started. I like this manual because not only does it talk about everything you need to get started with the incubator, but on the back, it actually tells you all of the common egg incubation parameters. So it goes over if you're gonna do chicks, ducks, quail, geese, guinea. It's also pretty clear that you can put any of those eggs in here, as well as different varieties as well. So really exciting. We usually do quail and chicken, so really excited to try some of these out once we get some fertile eggs. Next up, we have the actual incubator, and we have a normal plug for it. So let's go ahead and take this out. Amazing. So this is our incubator. It has a really nice handle so that you can lift up the dome. And let's talk about what's inside here. So underneath, first off, we have a few layers here. This is your bottom layer where you can actually add in any of your water for humidity. So all you have to do is lift the humidity tray, pour your water in, and it will start to fill up the layers. So this first layer is for low humidity, then medium humidity, and if you wanted high humidity, that would be the third layer here. I obviously do not have enough water right now, but it will start to slowly fill up. Oh, there we go. And then you can go ahead, close this up. Really great. I love that this is really easy to add the water to, and it's not really spilling, because I've had that problem with previous incubators in the past. Okay, so I will put this on. Next up, you have your tray. So this tray is to help prevent the eggs from falling through into the humidity area. These catchments down here are also gonna help. So once your chicks actually hatch and they start to get any of that egg debris or anything like that, they'll go into this section. It's nice because these are nice big areas that you can use, really easy to clean. So we'll go ahead, put this tray back on here. Now this item right here is where you put all of your eggs in. So this is built to do 21 chicken eggs. So let me get some chicken eggs here. You can see they fit really well in here, and you could probably double up in order to do quail eggs if you wanted. So I like that. I am not gonna fill the whole thing right now because just going through all of the unboxing. Then we have our nice dome. Again, I really like that there's a handle here, and we will just fit this in. It has nice little ridges, so everything fits in really well. The plastic is really nice and thick on here. I love that it is clear, so you can see right through. You can see the activity going on here, especially if you have kids. This is really, really great. It's really fun to watch, even as an adult. So let's plug this in. So on the back of your incubator, you have a power supply. We have over here, and then we also have the bottom will connect onto the top, and this is for the egg turner connection. In the back here, we also have a valve here that you can open to increase or decrease the humidity. Now, when using the egg incubator, it does say to let it warm up for 1 hour prior to adding your eggs. So you do want to make sure that you allow for that. And then let's talk about some of these buttons here on the top. So we have our light here. This is so you can actually see if there's anything going on in your eggs. So you could take out an egg. So I'll go ahead and press that button. Now, if you plus and minus, it will change the lighting of this. So you can add light to this, and you can see what's going on in your egg. You can candle your egg here. If you hold this down for 3 seconds, you can change between Fahrenheit and Celsius depending on where you are. We do everything in Fahrenheit here in the US, so keeping that on here. And then if you wanted to reset your item, so it's gonna be preset for a 21-day egg, you can go ahead and you just press both of these down and it will reset, so you can change for whichever egg type that you are doing, and you can set whatever you have here. This way you can change up for if you're doing chickens, quail, duck, anything like that. Really, really neat. Let's go ahead and test the actual turning of the egg. So you can set the turning of the eggs, you can turn it on, you can turn it off, and then because you usually want to stop turning at the end, it will automatically stop turning. If you want to test out the egg turning, all you do is press this one time, and you can see it's doing a nice turning of the eggs. There was a full turn over here on this chicken egg, so really like to see that. Overall, I really love this product. I think it looks really cool. This is the white version, but it does come in a few different colors, so you'll want to check that out on Amazon, and I will link it down below. I love that it has a nice handle here. This is going to make it really easy for when you do have little guys in here and you need to take out the egg turner, or you just want to take out a few to leave in some of the eggs for a little bit longer. The tray for adding in your water is really easy to fill, and you can also empty it out once you're done using this. And I love the clear plastic on the outside. It makes it really nice and engaging for if you want to watch the whole entire process. I'm really excited about this. I'm really excited to try it out with some fertilized eggs in the coming weeks. So subscribe if you aren't already a part of the journey, and we'll see you again next time. Bye.